Today I'll show you how to make your own ChatGPT.
First of all, you can get this link from the description, and then on the top right corner, click on the fork to make a copy of this GitHub repository to your own account. Change the name of the directory to anything. I am keeping it as ChatGPT for now. And then click on Create Fork. Then you can see your repository is created. Then go to render.com and sign up there and create a free account. You can use GitHub link login too. Verify your own account and continue. Then click on New in the menu bar and select Web Service. You can see there is no repository of GitHub here, so click on Connect Account on right side and click on Install. Here is our repository. Click on Connect. In name, enter any name that you want to put and select region which is closer to you. And in root directory, type server. And put start command npm run server and select instant type free. And then create web service. Till it's getting deployed, go to the environment and add an environment variable named as OpenAI API key. To get API key, go to OpenAI website and sign up for the account, and click on the top right corner and click on View API key and generate a new API key. And copy paste it to the environment section and click Save Changes. Then when it will show live, then click on the app link and check if it's deployed or not. If you see message hello from the codex, then your API is set up. Then copy your app URL and go to your GitHub repository and go to client folder and click on script.js. And then click on edit to edit 3script.js file and go to line number 89 and edit the link with your app link. Then go down and click on commit changes. Then go to vercel.com and create account or login. Now if you see pop-up warning, then you will see pop-up block notification above in URL bar. Click it and allow the pages for the pop-up. Then refresh the page. And click import on the repository you created. Choose any name and click on edit in root directory option and select client option and click continue. And then click on deploy. Click on continue to dashboard and click on visit to open your deployed ChatGPT. Now let's test it and say hey.